The answer: go the extra mile. Unless you're a very special breed of hacker, you're like most of us. You shoot for the low-hanging fruits most of the time and you get frustrated as your reports are being marked as duplicates. Your frustrations are not unique though. Go on Twitter and on any other related social media and notice how hackers complain about it. That the cyberspace all of a sudden became very crowded. That you can't find a good disclosure program to hack on these days. That triagers are always giving you a hard time, and on and on. Yet, there are a couple of snowflakes who seem to get validated reports on an ongoing basis. What is it that they do differently? They walk away the beaten path. They go the extra mile. What is the beaten path? Take a Starscope domain. Use Subfinder or another tool for subdomain enumeration. Use generic word lists for directory or file brute forcing. Use Nuclei, HTTPX, or other similar tools for automated scanning. Get the same results like everyone else. What is the extra mile? Take a Starscope domain. Do first, second, and third level subdomain enumeration for the very least. Take extensive time to compile your unique word lists from different sources. Take individual subdomains and do manual analysis on each one. Take time to understand the underlying technologies behind the asset you're testing. Look for business logic flaws and input validation errors. Learn Python, Bash, and Golang and code your own private tools to kick boost your testing. Go the extra mile.